Welcome back, everybody. Let us sing a song about verbs. Those are doing words. I can walk, I can sit, I can stand. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can see, I can hear, I can smell. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I can play, I can write, I can sing. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Wow, that was amazing. Maats, julle sing mooi. You sang so beautifully. Thank you for singing along. I really love to hear your voices. Next time, we're going to learn a brand new song. Volgende keer gaan ons 'n nuwe liedjie leer. In the meantime, please be safe and take care, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, tot volgende keer maats. Totsiens.